Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11 and today I'm going to show you how to pair this smart band with the Android phone. So let's get started. Pairing Huawei devices with the Android phones is a bit tricky because first you need to download and install the Huawei AppGallery and then use it to install the Huawei Health, and then you can use the Huawei Health to pair the devices together. Like I said, it's a bit complicated, a bit wonky, but unfortunately it is how it works. And to download the Huawei AppGallery, you need to open the browser on your phone. I'm gonna use the Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. And once you open the browser, you need to enter this address, appgallery.huawei.com. So appgallery.huawei.com without the featured, because featured will be bringing you to like list of featured apps. We want to go to the main page, so appgallery.huawei.com. And once you open this page, you will see this button right here in the left top corner. Tap on it and tap on Install AppGallery. Then you will see the pop-up about the downloading the application. Download it. It will start downloading, and after it's done, you'll see the pop-up that it's downloaded, and you can tap on Open. Here, I want to select the download app, so I'm gonna use this just once, and you will see this pop-up that you don't have the required permissions to install unknown apps. Tap on Settings, and if you see this page, tap on the switch to enable it. Then tap on Install, and if you see this newest feature of Android, which is a bit annoying, you can tap on More Details, tap on Install Anyway, confirm with the fingerprint or pin or pattern, and once you confirm, the application will install, and then we can tap on Open. And once you open the App Gallery, tap on Next, Agree, and here tap on OK. And here we have the Huawei App Gallery. I'm gonna update it later. Now let's tap on Apps. Let's search and look for the Huawei Health. So Huawei Health, and tap on Search. And on the list of the results, you should see Huawei Health application. Next to it, there will be this Install button. Tap on Install. Tap on Settings. Allow the installation from the source. Go back. Tap on Install again. It will start downloading. I forgot to mention that we need to turn on our smart band. So since the application is installing, let's tap on Install. Let's turn on our smart band. So press and hold the side button to turn it on. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the smart band is done booting up. Okay, here we have it. You can scroll through the list of languages. If you see it, tap on the language you like to use. And then, as you can see, it tells us to download the app and use it to pair the devices. So, application is done installing now. We can tap on Open. Here we can select the service region. Basically, you can tap on it, scroll through the list, look for the region you want to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. And once you're done, tap Next, Next. Come on. Agree. In the app, you can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. It's not required. I'm going to allow it, then tap on Devices. And as you can see, we need to log in into Huawei ID account to continue. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Register, make a new one, and then use it. I already have one, so I'm going to enter the email address and password. Tap on Login. Finish the CAPTCHA. And as you can see, we need to get the code from the email address. So I'm going to tap on Get Code. Did we receive it already? Yes, we did. Okay. This is our code. I'm going to copy it. You can also enter it manually if you want to. I'm just lazy, so I'm going to copy it, paste it right here. Tap on OK. And after you log in, the app will restart basically, like this. And now we can tap on Devices, tap on App Device, allow the required permission. This one is required, so allow it. And then the app will detect your smartband, and you can tap on connect. Scroll down, tap on allow. Tap on the check mark to confirm on the smartband. Here, check the box, tap on next. And right here we can check the boxes to basically enable the auto download updates over Wi-Fi and auto install the update. So if you want the update to install automatically, you can check the boxes and then tap on continue. If you don't care, you can uncheck them and tap on continue. Then we have the this page, and you can tap on done, continue. And next we have the notifications. If you don't want to use the notifications, you can disable them and tap on done. If you want to receive the notifications from your smartband on your phone, enable them, enable the notifications for the apps you like by tapping on the switch, tap on done, tap on OK. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see this pop up, tap on authorize and allow the notifications. Okay. And at this point, you should see your Huawei Band 11 on the device page, and it should be ready to use as well. And that's how you pair this smartband with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video, and see you in the next one.